In this video, we will review how to actually register for classes in Tiger Scheduler. To register for classes, either build your schedule or load a favorited schedule into Tiger Scheduler. Review to make sure you have what you intend, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and select the Get This Schedule button. From there, you will be taken to a review page where you will see your intended actions. Do not skip this review step. Make sure each of the actions listed is what you intend to do. Once you are satisfied, you can click the Do Actions button to officially log your registration attempts. You will now see whether you were successful in getting into these classes or if you encountered any errors. Here, we see a couple of very common errors. Closed section means that the class filled before this student was able to get into the class. Prerequisite or test score error means that the student lacks at least one prerequisite that is required to register for this class. When you encounter registration errors, carefully read the description of the error. Be sure to review the plan you discussed with your advisor and any notes from your advising session. You can review prerequisite information in the Auburn Bulletin. For example, to register for Math 1620, one must have completed Math 1610 and have that credit on their Auburn transcript. If you are unable to determine the reason for a particular error and have further questions, be sure to contact your academic advisor for additional assistance. You can continue building your schedule by hitting the Return to Select Courses button and searching for new courses or new course sections. Be sure to leave courses you successfully enrolled in on your time grid unless you wish to drop them. Once you are ready to attempt to add new classes, repeat the same process as you previously did. When modifying an existing schedule, it is especially important to review your intended actions before finalizing your registration attempt. In this scenario, you can see that the student was already in one class and was not attempting to drop this course. This time around, the student was able to successfully add 2 more courses to their existing schedule. Generally, we do not recommend loading a favorited schedule after your initial registration attempt. Doing so can be confusing when you combine existing courses with other courses that you previously selected when you were not already enrolled. In this example, this student loaded a favorited schedule over 2 existing enrolled classes. Unless these 2 exact sections of these courses are part of the newly loaded favorited schedule, this student is essentially telling Tiger Scheduler that they wish to replace their existing schedule with this new schedule. As a reminder, it is very important not to skip the review page and to make sure that each of the intended actions is what you want before you hit the Do Actions button. In our next video, we will review the process of dropping classes or an entire schedule in Tiger Scheduler.